Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details, remember that the link to purchase the CORSAIR Frame 5000 DRS Modular High Airflow Mid-Tower PC case at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out. The CORSAIR Frame 5000 DRS is a standout mid-tower PC case designed for enthusiasts who demand both exceptional airflow and extensive customization options. Its revolutionary frame modular case system redefines versatility, allowing users to upgrade components such as the motherboard tray to billet aluminum, swap out the front I/O panel for different USB configurations, or change the front intake panel to alter the case's aesthetics. This modularity ensures the case evolves alongside your build, making it a future-proof investment. One of the most impressive features is the 3D Y-pattern airflow panel. This steel front panel is perforated in a three-dimensional Y pattern, optimizing airflow with minimal obstruction to keep your components cool under heavy loads. Complementing this design are 4 pre-installed RS fans that come standard, ensuring immediate effective cooling out of the box. Cooling potential is further enhanced by support for large radiators, including a massive 420mm radiator on top and up to 360mm radiators on the front or side. The InfiniRail fan mounting system is particularly innovative, allowing for up to 14x 120mm fans simultaneously, with flexible mounting options for 140mm or 200mm fans as well. This system is perfect for custom cooling loops or high-performance air cooling setups. Cable management is thoughtfully addressed with an internal side panel near the motherboard tray that doubles as a cable cover, promoting clean and organized builds. Alternatively, this panel can be removed to mount additional fans, providing a balance between aesthetics and performance. Additional features such as GPU anti-sag support and compatibility with ASUS BTF, MSI Project Zero, and Gigabyte Project Stealth ensure that this case integrates seamlessly with premium components and motherboard designs. Pros: highly modular frame system for extensive customization and future upgrades. Excellent airflow with 3D Y-pattern perforated front panel and 4 pre-installed RS fans. InfiniRail system allows mounting up to 14 fans for superior cooling. Supports large radiators up to 420mm on top and 360mm on front/side. Clean cable management with removable side panel. GPU anti-sag support and compatibility with major motherboard projects. Cons: premium features come with a higher price point. Large size may require ample desk or floor space. Modular components may require some learning curve for beginners overall. The CORSAIR Frame 5000 DRS is an exceptional choice for PC builders who want a case that not only looks sleek, but also delivers top-tier airflow and customization. Whether you're planning a high-end gaming rig or a workstation, this case offers flexibility and performance that will grow with your needs. Don't forget, the link to get this case at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out to grab a great deal and elevate your next PC build.